All right, what's up everybody? Jeremiah Atkins Photography, and today we got a unique physique lighting setup that we're going to show you how to do. It's pretty simple. So stick around and we'll get to it. All right, welcome back. So like I said, we're going to be doing a unique physique lighting. I'm here with my model, Maria.
Hello.
And we're going to be doing this is a lighting style that you can do if you want to do like a fitness shoot. It really carves out the muscular features. You get really good deep shadows and great muscle shape and muscle definition. So you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, cool. We'll get some shots going, and we'll post some images at the end, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, a little bit about the setup that I got going on here. I got two Godox 14 by 42 inch strip softboxes, one for each side, mounted on a Bowens mount light stand with a 8200 Pros with the round bulb heads. Just going to go ahead and get these initial adjustments up and down as far as height wise and kind of make sure everything's centered. Nice. Okay, bring your chin up a little bit. Great, right there. Oh, that's good. Back a little bit. That's good. Perfect. Nice. That's a good one. Okay, so there you have it. Unique physique lighting technique. I'll put some of the final images at the end of the video here so you can let me know in the comments what you think about the setup. And thanks again to Maria for your help.
Anytime.
I will put her information in the description below. You can find her on Instagram, give her a follow and a like. Also, if you like this video or you don't like it, subscribe anyway. But yeah, thanks.